Hey everyone, this is Ankush Kesud, father of two smart kids, two dogs, married to a Wonder Woman, a son of winner parents, a soccer player in school time, get into the sales and marketing almost for 17 years, a co-founder of A to Z Marketing Trends, now turned to real estate strategist and marketeer and a coach. My dear friends, I told you about my mission that's very clear in 2020-21 to support builders. Their projects are static in nature, that those are underperforming due to any reason. I am there to support you on that front. I have created my course, a video course of 17 videos, out of which you will be learning so many things which you might applied or earlier or could not able to reach to that level to get out of that dilemma of underperformance. My dear friends, I would start. This is my first video. Just get involved yourself into it, and surely you will learn many things. I want to ask you, what kind of team one should hire when the builder is underperforming, he has many pressure and he is under debt, he could not able to procure the sales, because once sales comes, the revenue will come, and the revenue will come, then you can pay off the all debts and a running cost to your project. I request you, before getting into this video and before getting into the process of this video listening program, please keep copy and pen with you so that you can note down the things, and later on you can review this video again and see this video again, and then start writing those points and do it for yourself, because this program is called Do It Yourself, DIY. This is my program wherein you have to do it yourself. We have got another program also wherein you can do with our sport, hand holding. That is another program which might cost you little higher, but this program is surely do it yourself, while watching these videos continuously, 17 videos which will surely help you outcome of that dilemma that you are underperforming. You have to increase the sale. Market is very tough due to the COVID also. Whatever reason might be, that reason may be that there is a dispute about the partners, among the partners there might be a stress level due to the debt. So any reason can be there and you could not able to perform well in your lobby. My dear friends, as we have taken the pledge to support builder lobby in 2021, I would like to start my first video, and that first video is about hiring teams. What kind of team you should hire when you are in a debt or you are not able to procure business. See, I get into the shoes of builder, and I has taken the sales right of the project which was static in nature, could not able to perform, and it was very hard nut to crack. So how I did it, it's my story and you can learn out of it. I myself wanted to be a free bird. I cannot be a part of any job since I left many years back, out almost 8 years back. So I thought I should take the sales right of the project wherein I can get something on commission basis, and my team should sit with me and we can start selling the flat which are older in the system or older in the that particular location. Although that was a ready to move in property, old property, many challenges were there. So why should you as a builder hire people on commission basis? Really, because you are already under debt and you have a pressure, while keeping people on the rolls or on the salaries, you might have a different opinion, but surely, because you must be thinking of if somebody hire on a salary, you can grip more on that particular person. But let's start from the first 3 or 4 months. In case sales doesn't happen, you have to incur the cost. Why to incur the cost when you are unable to produce good numbers? Start doing hiring team people, their profile. I'll tell you how to hire. First and foremost, find a person or a team who can work for you on a commission basis, who can give proper time, and who can have a proper setup. Okay, now question comes, why commission basis? As I earlier said, when you are under debt and due to any kind of reason you are not able to procure the sales, so you should keep team which can give the time to your product and be convicted that if in case sale doesn't happen, I will not charge you anything. That is the best part. because that team only can correlate with you, your thought process, that if in case sale doesn't happen, there is no money and there is no debt paying to anyone. So surely that team has given you a conviction that while sitting at your premises, he or she and his team will not ask you for the salary on 31st. If in case they produce the number for your project, then only they will be given commission out of it. So it's not a fixed cost for you as a builder lobby, it is a variable cost. So start finding people, those are ready to work for you on a commission. Now you might find few people out of the lobby, so to whom you need to choose at least person who is having 5 years in experience on the same domain in the real estate arena, or who have worked priorly before these 5 years with multinational companies in different sales and marketing, whether any industry. You should hire that person as a leader on commission basis, which will be representing to your organization or your project. Now surely a question comes in mind, why why we should hire someone who we cannot buy his time. Time will start, he will spend time and learn. Responsibilities comes time by time. Once they will start sit at your premises, they will be getting involved into it automatically. It is a process, and surely they will lead from the front. How come I lead from the front? I tell you, when I get into the project, I thought I start making new team members and bringing them to the project, whether it is a sales department, whether it is a telecalling department, whether it is a reception setup, anything. So I found people, those who are not on the salary, they wanted to work on a commission basis, yes, but full time, not a part time. So once they start getting involved into the project, their time is being utilized in the project, and when first month gone, second month gone, and third month, they knew there is no sales. So now their time is most important because they have put in 3 months. Then there is a time, there more conviction is there, and those people give you more conviction. Reason being, you are not paying anything to them on monthly basis, but they are convicted and they are being there for you to increase the numbers and sales in the market and representing your organization. Almost these people can be a good asset to you and your organization. They may require, second point out of first, to whom you have to hire, why you should hire them, and what are the prerequisite experience you should see while hiring. Now the second point, which is most important, comes giving them the equal treatment. Like other departments in your organization, there might be accounts, legal, there are post-sale department, civil department. They should not, either they might be older in the system, as I was there in the builder as a sales head. So they people, there should not be, you should not create any gap that is in-house team and the people though I am hired on a commission basis, they are outside team, because they need equal treatment and they should not feel that discrimination, because this discrimination hopefully will get into the mindset of some differentiation, and they could not able to perform, and coordination among the different department is always important. That is why most of the companies are integrating their departments together. So you need to understand this, that there should not be any gap between them. There should be a mutual coordination program among those teams. You have to give the full rights to them, like you would have hired someone on salary. Third thing, which is very important, they may require some changes at your premises. So you need to understand that while giving them that authority to change, while setting arrangements, while some marketing material they are acquiring, you need to give them free hand for initial few months, for 2 months or 3 months, and very first month, I'm talking about very first month, they will require some changes. Let them do, because My dear friends, builder lobby, you need to understand this because this is for your own benefit. Somebody is giving his valuable time, and time is equal to money, and he don't want to spoil your time. He want to spoil, don't want to spoil his time. He want to utilize it for you for a good number of sales. So first and foremost thing in my video is the first video, which team you need to be hired. So this is, you should find people who though wanted to grow and aspired entrepreneurs, and they wanted to work on commission basis. Surely that is not a fixed component, and it will help you to come out of that static real estate image in your builder lobby. You will start creating numbers very soon. This video will surely help you note down that these 3 points wherein I started with, whom you should be hired, why should you hire them, and what is the reason that you should hire on commission basis. You have to coordinate among other departments. You have to become a bridge, and there should not be discrimination among different departments, and you have to give them a free hand, my dear friend. You should point down all these points. It is our first video wherein I am telling you the hard fact. It is our first and foremost most important out of those 17 videos, because one point, if you are skip from one point, you cannot get into the another point, and then whole process can be disturbed. So when you are putting your energy into it, and you are thinking that you wanted to grow and you wanted to come out of that underperforming tag, or your project image is static in nature in your location, believe in me, I will surely value add in your performance, and you will come out of that all trauma and mindset of underperforming and how to come out of it. This is my first video. This is Ankush K. Sood, father of 2 smart kids, 2 dogs, married to a wonder woman, son of winner parents, soccer player in school days, get into the sales and marketing for almost 17 years, co-founder of A to Z Marketing Trends, now a real estate strategist and web coach since 2014. All the best, do this and write down all the things, and see you in next video.